Ubak Preston Tunsong sembut Menteri Rangba Kejala Meklaya ulaong bak sorkar dang yit pejbenia halor ke jingdawa kibri wasa atami mulong lengba ka Harijan Panchayat Komiti bak sorkar jala ka deban aishpo agar ka cakai ki Harijan ward tak baong bak along ka berangkap men pejbenia ubak Preston ulaong ba unu laban pan Henry gidan part ki bak sorkar kanum laban ai Luang bak sorkar kan saat ke blueprint syah Harijan Panchayat Komiti halor kan ke jingdawa jungki. Habakeli kai kesen jam jok sorkar lada ki Harijan ki kentai ya kan ke jingterwa ubah perstun ulang baik kata en sepej dari yang besar.
Anybody can express anything. Anybody can ask anything. But I've already clearly told them, see, there are issues which is not at all possible. Which are not at all feasible, not at all justified, not at all possible, humanly speaking, or from the government point of view. So therefore, I've already told them, so they wanted to see again the blueprint of the government, what was our plan for relocation of the entire place of that area. So therefore, I told them we will prepare, Urban Affairs Department will prepare everything and then we will send it to them. So after that, let them sit down in the committee and then come back for a meeting.
They also said that they don't want flats. It seems that they want land and government to give them money to construct the houses as they wish.
See, that's what I'm telling you. I cannot stop wanting. Anybody want whatever. They want. I think they may like to have swimming pool also. Okay, they may like to have swimming pool. They want. Because see, human wants is like that only. But let me tell you again, I don't say that it is illegal. They can ask anything. No problem. But from the government, we will prepare or detailed package, detailed blueprint as per the calculation which is possible from the government side. Then we will present it to them. So ultimately it is up to them to decide.
Will the same package be given to these people as well as the employees of the government departments?
Only 342 families. Only 342 families. If it is beyond that, means no. If they reject, means we have to meet in the court. Very clear. If they reject the packages which is to be offered by us, then we can't help it. So we have to fight. And then ultimately let the court decide. But we are so open. We are so open. We are so considerate. So therefore, I think they understand the seriousness of the government.